sonné. Elle voudrait qu'on le fasse mais je suis sonné. Ah, complètement sonné. Elle pense au mariage mais je suis...
Hi guys, as you can see in my previous video I did this crochet hair on myself. I braided the half part of my hair and I did I just took like one section and then used the black elastic bands, the small one, so it's not gonna show, as you can see. And yeah, this is the final finished look, final look. These are 18 inches how do you call it, Motown tress, and the locks are called neo locks. They're 18 inches. They have like 36 strings in one packet, which is good, like they say here. 36 braid, and it's got neo locks. I just love it. I love it. I wanted something to just wear for some times now that we are in a pandemic situation, you know. I hope you guys are keeping safe. So if you're interested, it's not a promotion or anything, or not a publicity, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing. I am hopefully gonna add the gold strings at the end, but yeah, this is the final look. I am loving it. It took me throughout less than an hour to do this, to achieve this, because of course I have protective style underneath and I just use the crochet to do it. So yeah, I'm loving it, and I am going to put a pause on my wigs, and yes, so it's just amazing when you know what to do with your hair, right? It's so amazing. But without further ado, I'm going to show you guys I got today when I went out. I went out to do some shoppings and I found out that Superdrugs was still open. So I went to Superdrug and I'm gonna show you guys what I got in Superdrugs. So this is an unboxing video, and I'm gonna try on the product later on and show you guys. Okay, as you can see, I'm not wearing no makeup, I'm wearing oil because I wanted to moisturize my face during the day, and it was so beautiful outside. It's just crazy. With all of this stuff going on, at least God is giving us a very nice weather to just keep us a little bit, you know, yeah, to just put in a good spirit, right? So that without further ado, I'm gonna start. The first thing I got from Superdrug is this Black Ice Revolution palette. It came out a couple of weeks ago and I did not really feel like buying it, but I was like, yeah, why not, let me just get it, because I didn't buy product for quite a long time, and because of course we are trying to save money as well in this pandemic time, and we don't really have much coming in. So of course when you have a little bit coming in, you're trying to save it, right? So it's just the regular thing. So yes, this is a Black Ice Makeup Revolution palette, and it looks like this. I am going to swatch it later on, or should I just do it now? I don't know. But I'm gonna go quickly and open it because of course it is an unboxing video. Ooh, did you see that? Did you see the reflection? I love it. I love it. So let's open inside and see what they got, because I am a sucker for Makeup Revolution palettes. They are amazing and you can't go wrong. Just choose a good one, and then yeah, so inspiring, so pigmented, and it looks like this. It has more black shades, but at least they have a pink here, and they have some highlight golden type going on there. It's not bad. I think probably I should have taken the another one, which is more colorful, and then when it's more colorful you have more looks. But I am not mad. I'm probably gonna get it later. So this is from Makeup Revolution, and I got myself simple cleansing wipes for your face. Of course, you guys need to understand that every time you are you want to clean your face, you have to use a different cleaning material. You can't just use the same thing that you're using for your body and use it on your face instead. So I pick up this simple cleansing wipes, which is very good. It's kind to skin. And then I picked up the other wispies as well. It has the duo eyelash glue inside, which is a bonus. It's free. So yes, this is the number one free. I have never used it before. I remember because I always pick up those cheap eyelashes from Primark. You know, Superdrug has some nice collections of eyelashes as well. I can't really bother because sometimes when you wear it you just lose them, so I picked up anything I can find. But this time I picked up the other one, hopefully. And I picked up the Makeup Revolution deep dark powder as well. This is the baking powder, as they say, but I'm gonna try to use it all over my face as well and see, you never know. And then I picked up another Makeup Revolution powder. I had this one before but I broke it, and it's very, very good. This is the number P13. And then yeah, of course I picked up two antibacterials hand gel, because these days you need one of these in your bag wherever you're going, right? It's very good as well. You just know that we have to protect ourselves with everything that's going on. And I picked up this powder as well. It's called Pressed Powder Infinite. This is all I could see. They didn't have anything to swatch it over. They didn't have anything to check out how it looks like. So I was curious because, like I said, I haven't shopped for a long time and I wanted to see what they have. What is like this powder, because yeah, it looks good. The packaging is bomb. And let's see inside. I don't know if they have a range of shades, but like I said, this was the only thing that I could find, so it looks like this. Okay. It's a universal pressed powder with niacinamide, and yeah, it's just a pressed powder. I don't think they have a range of shades. It's a translucent pressed powder, so it doesn't have any range of shades. Like I said, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial and use all the product that I bought from Makeup Revolution because I just love them. I love them. And then next I picked up the Eyelash Emporium Pro. So far I've been eyeing these eyelashes, and I picked up the Make a Scene. It looks like this. They're really gorgeous, and I haven't tried it yet. The packaging is kind of like greenish, and they said you can use it 20 times. Let's see. It looks like this. I love the way the hair are so wispies, you know, and let's see what's up. And then I picked up this primer. Is that yes, Illuminating Skin Primer from Makeup Revolution also, and I'm going to open it so you guys can see. It's a bit tough because it's very, very secured. And okay, let's see. Lord have mercy. Just cut it. Yes, it looks like this. It's called Glass Liquid Skin, and I'm kind of like loving this lately, so we're gonna try it on and see. And also I picked up the Glass Black Ice Illuminator. It's a highlighter. I'm a sucker for highlighter as well, especially the ones that look just like my skin tone. I love it. I love it when you do a natural look and you're wearing a highlighter that's close to your skin tone. I'm telling you, it's the bomb. It's magic. I was right, people. I was right. Let me swatch it quickly. I knew I'm gonna love it, because I just love when they're so soft like this and they melt into your skin. I'm glad I picked it up. And this one, it's called Glass Black Ice Illuminator. So it's called Black Ice. Right, next one, I picked up the Glass Glow Fix, which is the Ultimate Glow Dewy Fixing Spray. It's gonna give you a dewy finish. Let's see if it's really gonna give me a dewy finish. We're gonna find out about it, right? And then in Superdrug, I went to the Makeup Academy section. I picked up this Brow Ultimate Eyebrow Kit. Never used it before. I don't know how my brow is gonna look like, but it's good to try. So ooh, okay, this is the dark shade. This is how it looks like. So we're gonna find out very soon. I love the mirror, it's so clear. So this is from Makeup Academy. And then I came to find out that they have a range. Oh Lord, don't tell me I picked up. Okay, they're different. They have a range of lip liner which are creamy and amazing. All right, so I picked up 5 of them and I'm going to swatch it for you quickly. This one is called Agenda. This is called Agenda. Did you see that? Creamy as hell. And this is called Obsession. It's like a brown pencil. I am obsessed already. Very beautiful. And this one is called Chic, So Chic. Look at this, like a purple, creamy purple. And then the 4th one is called Diva. This is what Diva looks like. What? Are you serious? Yay! It's only £1.50. And the 5th one, it's red. It's called Fancy. It's kind of like red, orange. Yeah, this must be orange. This is orange. This is red. I love it. I'm telling you guys, you can never go wrong. Don't just try to go and spend money on MAC or anything else. It's good for you to have this very simple and less expensive. They are from Makeup Academy, and I'm telling you guys, as you can see on the swatches, perfect. I love me a creamy lip liner. All right, so I was looking for the Makeup Revolution Prefigure. I love using that lip liner. It's like a jumbo lip liner, but they didn't have it anymore. That's why I went to the Makeup Academy section and I found one. So I picked up this Pro Base Smooth Set Primer Blur Stick. Never used one before, never owned one before, but we are going to find out what it actually does. They said it's a primer and it just makes your face smooth, so we're gonna find out. All right, okay, fast forward, I went to Holland & Barrett and I wanted to try biotin, like hair supplements, like food supplements, and I checked quickly on YouTube and read some reviews and I found out that this is good. So I'm gonna try it on. The day I'm gonna try it on, I'm gonna let you know. This one is the 5000 UJ, is the highest, so I am so happy that I found this one because I didn't have a lot of them. And then yeah, it's good for your hair, it's good for your skin. The that's what they said. So we're gonna try and find out how long it's gonna take me. And you guys already know that my hair are not really long, and I've been struggling for years now to grow my hair longer. And yes, so I'm gonna try this biotin and let you know, guys, right? And then I picked up also in Holland & Barrett this pure collagen. So it's a liquid food supplement with collagen. It's got like a hyaluronic acid, all this stuff. So they said it's very good. It's a natural component of the skin. Collagen helps the skin to preserve its firmness and elasticity. So recommended dose: drink 1 bottle per day, 3 weeks to stimulate skin hydration, 6 weeks for skin smoothness, 9 weeks for skin firmness. Do not exceed recommended daily dose. Check well before use. So this is good for your skin. Collagen, they do have it as well in some skincare product. They do put collagen as well, but I'm gonna try this. They said it's pure, so let's see what's up, right? I really want to grow my hair. I really want to have me a nice nappy, very beautiful bun. So let's start the journey. Okay, this was just my unboxing. I wanted to show you guys how I did my hair as well. Check my previous video, or maybe I'm gonna insert it here because I did not really show you guys all the steps because I was on the phone with my cousins, but I showed how I started, right? It's just a crochet, regular crochet, right? But yeah, now I am about to log off and I'm gonna speak to you guys soon. Make sure you turn your bell notification on, you subscribe, you share this video, and I'm gonna speak to you later. Thank you.